e que tu rende su una niche mostra mesmo direção e que não que logra mesmo meta para o 2020, inspirational. Também nós temos mês como membro de OCTA, nós conferência na parte, nós discutimos certo problema não, bota meer op problema não comum, que nós luta para mesmo solução não, als het ware para problema não. Aruba wanneer ik zou como roman cerca de outro, nós meer que na Aruba a implementar, te coier nós saia rondleiden na waste to gas plant. Anto que bota meer que hey, tem hoop espaço para nós cooperar com outro e sim de outro. Dus é hoop fructífero. Como membro de OCTA, sobretudo vanuit OCTA, nós worden mandaat gedaan. Nós focussen op mais serviço de energia, dus renewable energy. E rondom de nós fazemos 2 dias de workshop também. Que vem nós vai focus erbij. E AWMS, por exemplo, nós vamos a 2 tours na Vater Piet Windmolenpark e na opening de Solar Park também. Dus nós problema não que nós discutimos, eventual solução não, com approach como body na Europese Unie, etc. Turta bata basa toch riba renewable energy e energie untuk mas algemeen.
It has been an amazing conference. It is my second time here. And what has been most interesting is our participation and collaboration as OCTs to discuss strategies for our small islands to address the challenges of energy. We see Aruba as one of the leaders in the renewable energy and sustainability arena. So we would want to, while we want to look at Aruba, we will also need to examine our own local context and see how we could progress and how we could formulate our own roadmap. We want to look at the leaders and to fashion our system in a similar fashion, but at the same time we must understand the local context. We cannot just photocopy. If you look at, for instance, in Aruba, you have a very good wind regime. In the Turks and Caicos, we do not have that kind of wind regime. Right, so but we have sunshine. You have sunshine, so we have to be able to be objective in whatever we want to implement.
It's been mind expanding. I've taken lots and lots of notes. So it's looking at. I'm actually involved in drafting a plan over the next few weeks as to what our options are, and this conference has been really valuable in providing not only some information but some contacts so that we can start following through and coming up with a really good business model that might work for us. Our size of our population is a big challenge. With 50 locals now, we need about 150 for the island to run effectively, and if we can create a tourism industry, we will need more people to come in and work. We really need to create job opportunities and business opportunities so that we can get some private investment. But I'm also very aware that we need to take care of our local population and make sure they get some benefits. At the moment, apart from our regular shipping service, which when I say regular, it's only 4 times a year. We only have the opportunity to bring in about 100 people per year to come and stay on island. We get cruise ships, we're on a major cruise ship route, but mostly those people don't get ashore. So just a couple of months ago we started developing another landing so that we can hopefully land more people on the island. But then now that there's a whole bunch of infrastructure that we will need to develop to manage that.
We're here to very much to learn as much as possible from other islands and also to share our experiences. We're in the process at the moment of moving towards 100% renewable energy because as in Aruba it just doesn't make sense to be putting all your money into oil companies' pockets when you could be keeping that money in the local economy. So one of my main interests here was to learn more about what Aruba is doing and what other island states are doing around the move to renewables and to meet businesses and investors who could help us to achieve our goals. I think it's superb, yeah, and I think this is what the world needs, and what we've been talking about now is about leadership and about the opportunity where if you look around the world, the large countries are actually not showing much leadership around climate change, and I think there's a role for small countries and not least islands who are going to be right at bearing the brunt of climate change, to be out there and showing leadership and leading the way. So I think this is, hats off to Aruba for making those kind of bold statements. And I think together the overseas territories and other small island nations can actually make an impact, and maybe prod the US and prod other governments to actually come on, live up to your commitments. We're showing it's possible, and we're showing actually that it's good for our economies.